Oh my gosh, you guys. So I am beyond excited about this very extremely upgraded hydrogen water bottle. So they've come out with a new one and it's a flask. So any of you guys that have watched any of my videos know that I'm always on here promoting this water bottle because I am such a strong believer. I have had migraines my whole life, and this bottle has been an absolute game changer for me in my life. So they have upgraded this, and I have ordered mine today, so I'll be getting it in a couple of weeks. It combats migraines, it helps with detoxification, vitality, longevity. It's just, you get overall better health. And this new Echo Flask, it holds an industry-leading 12 ounces and infuses the water with a whopping 8.0 ppm of infused hydrogen. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's 50% more than any other bottle right now that's on the market. And this bottle is truly smart. It has a built-in intuitive touchscreen and an app that tracks your water consumption and hydrogen, as well as the cycle length. So the other bottle that I currently have, you can do up to a 10-minute cycle. This new flask is a 20-minute. It's just absolutely phenomenal. It's so easy and convenient without having to drink a gallon of water a day. So it's going to make your life a lot easier to get hydrated. So you guys just have to check it out. Click the link in the description because I promise you it's absolutely mind-blowing. And you guys remember, be your ultimate human, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.